Hey guys, today we're going to learn about an online flashcard tool called Tiny Cards. Tiny Cards is a free online flashcard tool that's just like having a set of flashcards but online. It can be used to help a student study and is an easy way to learn the material. The setup is the same as with a set of flashcards. The front of the card has a picture, math problem, word, etc. The back of the card has a description of what the picture is, the solution to the math problem, the definition of the word, etc. While going through the flashcards, Tiny Cards will quiz you with multiple choice and typed response questions. Pros and cons of Tiny Cards. The tool is free, it's very user-friendly, and since it's online, it can be projected for the whole class. It can also be used at home. The only con to Tiny Cards would be if a student did not have any way to access the internet at home or have internet access. For the students to be able to use Tiny Cards, they will need access to the internet, a computer or tablet, or a phone. The grade levels that can use Tiny Cards would be second grade and up. This is a reading-based tool that the students will have to be able to read proficiently in order to use. Similar tools would be Quizlet, Flashcard Hero, and having actual flashcards. Now I'm going to show you how to actually set up your deck of Tiny Cards. You go to Create, enter the title, and we're going to do Egyptian Gods and Goddesses. Then you choose a cover photo. And then you choose the cover photo for the front of your first card. We're going to do the god Ra. Then after the cover photo uploads, you click for the back of the card and then you type in the description of the card. Okay, we are typing in God of the Sun, created all forms of life, and was the supreme ruler of the gods. Now then, to go to your next card, you would click on the plus sign and then do the same thing for the rest of your cards. Here we've already done Isis. Next we're going to move on to Osiris. This is Osiris, and for the next card we're going to do Horus, then Thoth. Okay, we have moved on to Thoth. Choose from library. And then type in the description on the back. Thoth was the god of knowledge. He blessed the Egyptians with writing, medicine, and mathematics. Okay, now that we've got all of our cards ready, we're going to scroll back up, go to Create, and it'll give you a link. Now that we've completed our deck, we're going to go and see what it looks like. You can press the space bar to scroll through your cards to flip them. Here's our first multiple choice. Here's another version of the multiple choice. And here's a free response answer. And now that we've typed in our answer, it gives us a gold card. Continue doing this through the rest of the cards. And this is our last card. When you've completed the whole deck, it gives you a gold deck. Also, if you need to change anything once you've gone through and seen what your deck looks like, if you need to change anything, you go here and it allows you to edit anything that you've done. Let's see here. Let's change this. And you just hit update. And that is how you use Tiny Cards.